Hello BJD folks, welcome to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna open up my doll I just received today. She is a gemofdoll. Oh gosh. I got her today and I'm gonna open it up and see what's in here. I don't know, like it's been a long time. I know. Yeah, if you want to know what was going on in the last year or so, you can check the comment section. I'm not gonna go into it. Let's open it up what I got because I'm really excited. I already removed the first layer. She came in this one here, and I thought I'm gonna just remove it because it's not that exciting to see it. So but I'm excited because yeah, a gemofdoll, excuse me when I pronounce it wrong. I ordered bjd, I think Psyche. In German I would say Psyche. Yeah, I ordered her in white skin and large bust. So let's open it. Okay. She will be my 7th doll. So lucky number 7. Let's see. I got some goodies in here. Eyes, and I got funny looking eyelashes. Oh, and I got the putty, the putty, the clay, not clay, what do you call this, those lashes look very interesting. I don't think I'm gonna use this for my doll because I already got new ones. I like the case. This is a cute case. Okay, put this there. And I also yeah, I ordered a string because that's not that much. I hope that's enough. I have to restring 2 of my dolls. There's the other one. I ordered 2. And I got some pamphlets, some literature. Oh, ooh, there she is. Okay, gemofdoll VIP. Of course, I'm always VIP everywhere. Okay, and that's her. That's how she looks like on the website. But I have already plans for her. She's so pretty. I love opening new arrivals of dolls. It's like birthday and Christmas. Okay. Oh, there's more. Hey. Oh, this is from Alice Collections. So yeah, I ordered her. By the way, I ordered hers through Alice Collection. This is my 2nd order from them. And I ordered her, I think, for like about 2 months ago. So it took them only 2 months. Pretty good. I mean, I waited for April like almost a year. And yeah. And for my other Alice collection also, like, just pretty good. Can you see? Ooh. Oh, I got another magic sponge. I have collection already of these too. Oh my god, she's pretty. Ooh, she's heavy. Oh my god. Oh, hello. Ah, yes, another one. Nice. More things to do here. That's nice. Okay, let's put this down for a second. Oh my god. Yeah. Okay. Nice. Oh my god, she's awesome. take this off. Shit, her hands are huge. Let's see. Oh, this is easy. Yeah. Okay, bye. It's gonna be interesting because I'm running out of space. Hiya. Yeah, I like that. She looks awesome. Yo, she's freaking awesome. And she has a huge face. I need scissors. Oh my god, she's so pretty. She's huge. What is she? She's like 60 centimeters. Aww. Her bust is like is large. Okay, no one has boobies like this. Like they're like, but it's okay. I like, it's good. I had to do a little intermission because my roommate is always here and I don't want him to hear me talking to myself. So that's why I did like a little break. Anyways, back to my gemofdoll delivery. I have to say, like, I really adore her. She looks absolutely beautiful. The only thing which, like, okay, she has double joints, but if I do this, like, she can't hold the posture, but it's okay. Can't have anything, right? Okay, you sit down just here for a second. So, oh, where shoot, I have to get the, oh yeah, hold up, because I noticed I didn't show the eyes I got. I don't even know what color this could be. I think it's like silver. I got like these eyes. It looks like white and then I don't know, light, very pale green. But yeah, I like the case though. It's very cute. I don't know what to do with it. Then I got these awesome, oh my goodness, I just realized they are two different kinds. I got these awesome fake lashes, and I don't think I might use these ones. I like these ones. I don't like these ones. I'm not sure, but as I said, I went to the city and I got these ones from a Japanese store, which are just awesome. And I think they will work perfectly for my dolls, definitely. And then wait, okay, gemofdoll VIP card. But this is not the COA. You always get this, no? Interesting. Oh, hey, hold up. I'm a little doo-doo. It's right here. And I got this, yeah, a very cute booklet with very cute pictures. I got two strings for NSD girls, and I have to restring 2 of my girls. And I got a magic spongy eraser, which works super good if you do your own face ups and you screw it up and you can just do it again. So I actually have a plan for Psyche. I needed to find a certain scalp because I really want to do Viera from Final Fantasy, I would say 12. I'm gonna pop up like a picture somewhere to show you what I mean. Yeah, so that's why I got her in white skin. Next step will be I have to dye her. I want to dye her. I already got red dye more for, yeah, synthetics, because it will take, the resin will take this dye way better. And I'm so scared because I have never done it before, and if I fail I'm gonna screw it up because she looks freaking awesome, and if I fail this dye job I'm gonna be doomed for the rest of my life. So I hope I will not yeah, fail this one. And so she's gonna turn into Viera. I have to make her some eyes. First I'm gonna do the dye. I don't know which step I do first. I also got some really nice mole hair. So I think I'm just gonna keep this color because she's gonna have brown skin and white hair, because I really like Viera's from Final Fantasy, yeah, 12. I don't want to turn her into Fran because, yeah, no, I just wanna, I don't know, make her afraid of her or something. That's why I was looking for a specific scalp and a specific face. So yeah, I also have to make her some bunny ears. It's gonna be a huge project, I know this so far. Okay guys, yeah, that was pretty much my yeah, box opening from my new doll I just got. And I have no idea when I will work on her, because I am actually in the midst of doing not something completely else, but I want to reopen my Etsy shop. I've been sewing lots of things lately. I'm also thinking about putting some patterns up because people keep asking me about patterns a lot. And yeah, I will definitely see if I can, you know, publish some patterns, and then also, yeah, put some things in my shop for sale, and keep working my dolls and keep working on sewing, and yeah, doing some yeah, doing some crafts and some I don't know, making cute doll things. Like, that's my jam. So yeah, well, I will see you in another video. I will see you on Instagram. Yeah, have a wonderful rest of your day and take care, guys. See you soon. Bye.